Hey kids, it's Mr. Mendoza, and it's time for art. Today we will be drawing an easy Wildcat. When I'm about to get started, I like to stack a few pages when drawing. It also protects your tables when you're using markers. Try to plan and visualize how big you want to do your drawing on the paper. I'll start off by drawing a light circle. Okay, not bad. If you don't like your circle, you can always start over. Next, I'm going to add the ears by doing some triangle shapes or A shapes. And it's okay if they don't match. Remember, this is just practice. I'm going to do an upside down triangle shape for the nose. And underneath, I'm going to add a lowercase rounded W shape for the mouth. Next, I'm going to line up the eyes with the edges of the mouth. Some dark dots in for the eyes. Next, we're going to start adding some dots here and little cat lips. I like to keep them in a triangular pattern. Just 3 dots makes it easy to do, easy to remember. Next, let's go back to these ears and add a little fur inside those ears for added texture. Now let's add a chin. And remember, feel free to pause and go back whenever you want. Next, I'm going to add in these tufts of hair on the right and left side of the face, kind of the cheeks. This is kind of what makes a Wildcat different from a regular cat. Also, what makes them different from a regular cat is little hairs coming off the tips of the ears. Start putting in their stripes on their face. So remember, these are kind of like lightning bolts, and in nature things are kind of imperfect, so if your stripes and zigzags don't match on each side, it's okay, it's just practice. Okay, so let's go to the cheeks here and get some stripes going on them. Maybe it's called the mane, I'll have to look that up. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Let's get both sides done. Not bad. Okay, let's get some whiskers on there. So what I like to do is touch and drag. Just watch here. You might want to practice this on another paper or just go for it. So that's pretty much it. Okay. And we are done. Good job. Make sure you sign your artwork. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you to those who subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. Don't forget to like my videos, and I'll see you guys next time. I am Mr. Mendoza, and this is the joy of arting.